Hey, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora. So I've been talking so much about qualities of a good wife, characteristics of a good wife, and it looks like the same people who loved the other videos want me to break it down in simple ways. How is a good wife? What must a good wife have? How must a good wife behave? So, down here are the qualities of a good wife. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below, this red button, and support this video, support this channel by sharing the videos, subscribing, liking the videos, leaving a comment. Yes, let's support each other. Let's grow this channel. Thank you so much. And without further ado, let's get into the qualities. Let me tell you something. Every woman deserves to be happy. And every wife deserves to be a good wife. Because through being a good wife, you truly get happiness in your marriage. So, these are the qualities of a good wife. Number one, a good wife never forgets that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. That's why a good wife ensures that her husband is always well fed. Number two, a good wife avoids nagging because she understands how it can negatively affect her position in her marriage. And she knows that complaining endlessly and nagging creates a rift, an unwanted rift between her and her husband. Number three, a good wife picks her battles. She doesn't fight over everything. She thinks and analyzes what to fight about and what not to fight about and how to fight about it. Number four, a good wife keeps her home clean and organized. Number five, a good wife keeps her husband's secrets. She never shares and gossips about her husband's secrets with anyone because she trusts her husband more than trusting anyone else in the world. Number six, this should have been number one. Why is it coming now? Why did I forget it? A good wife prays for her husband and her family. Number seven, a good wife spends quality time with her husband despite her or his busy schedule. Number eight, a good wife always expresses her love by remembering, honoring, and celebrating her husband's special days in life. For example, his birthdays and any other days. Buying gifts, surprising him, and making all those nice, simple, lovely gestures. Number nine, a good wife doesn't just expect her husband to listen to what she has to say, but she also listens to what her husband says. And she listens attentively and actively. Number 10, a good wife is honest and trustworthy, and her husband trusts her. A good wife is an open book. She doesn't keep secrets from her husband. Number 11, a good wife satisfies her husband in bed, and she always does her best to give him the best sex ever. Number 12, a good wife never neglects and lets go of her looks after marriage. She always takes care of herself. Number 13, a good wife treasures, accepts, and loves her husband for who he is. She doesn't try to manipulate or force her husband to change into someone, into something, or someone he's not. Number 14, a good wife takes her husband out on a date whenever she can. Dates help to rekindle the romance in the relationship, in the marriage. And a good wife understands and remembers this. Number 15. A good wife admits her mistakes and doesn't always mean to be right. She knows she's a human being and she can make mistakes. She always apologizes and asks for forgiveness. Number 16. A good wife understands and knows that respect is reciprocal. She understands that for her to earn her husband's respect, she has to give the respect first. So she respects her husband. Number 17. Listen and listen good. A good wife makes her husband her number one priority. Not her children, not her family, and not her friends, and not even her job. Number 18. A good wife appreciates her husband's efforts and dedication to make the marriage work. Number 19. A good wife is loyal and doesn't cheat on her husband. Number 20. A good wife supports her husband. Supports her husband emotionally. Supports her husband physically. Supports her husband financially. Yes, ladies, financially is the word. It doesn't help you to get money. Keep it until the rats and the cockroaches eat the money when you're hiding it from your husband. Yet he's doing everything in his power to make the marriage and the home and the family run. A good wife financially supports her husband. So, do you like this video? Give it a thumbs up, share the video, and if you'd like more clarification about anything, go to noraarake.com/booking and book your counseling session. Or you can leave a comment in the comment section. I will get back to you. Thank you so much. I love you. See you in the next one. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and please support the channel. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.